Do this.
Messi's about to get cooked for 2 minutes.
Come on, bro.
Shut up. Nothing's happening. Be quiet. Ugh.
I didn't get scared.
Messi's getting cooked. Messi's getting cooked.
Dude,
What?
I just saw some. No,
you didn't.
Yes, I did.
What did you say?
I just saw some, bro.
Stop playing.
Bro, here, take the phone. I don't want to be here for it. Take the phone.
What did you see? Oh.
Chuck, take the phone.
What?
Take the goddamn phone.
For what? Stop being scared. It's messy.
It's gonna explode.
No, it's...
Yes, it is. I promise you.
Yes?
Yes. Take it out. Take it out. Oh, yeah. You over.
No.
If you get in trouble, it's your fault.
Bro,
then.
it's not gonna explode.
If you, I don't
It's
care.
not gonna explode.
I don't care. If you get in trouble, it's not my fault.
It's not gonna explode. Shut up.
At least take the phone.
For what?
Take the phone.
No, bro. I need... Bro, that... No. No, you're a pussy. You're so lame. Nothing's happening to the Messi card. Come here. Nothing's... Bro, come here. Oh, my God. No, it won't, bro. All right, bro, come here. Okay. I took it out. Come here, bro. Come here. I need you to record it. I took it out. All right, bet. Watch this.
Come chill out.
What?